Good morning. In the last module, we have learned the input and output units. In this module, let's see the central processing unit CPU. It is the main control center and processing unit. It is also called brain of the computer because it guides, directs, controls and governs the performance of a computer. It is also called processor. A CPU can be placed on one or more microchips called integrated circuits IC. What is this integrated circuit? It is a collection of electronic components, resistors, transistors, capacitors, etc. All this is stuffed into a tiny chip and connected together. CPU has some subcomponents. What are they? ALU, arithmetic logic unit, CU, control unit, and registers. Let's see what is this arithmetic logic unit ALU. ALU performs arithmetic and logic operations. When two numbers are required to be added, these numbers are sent from memory to ALU. Addition takes place in this ALU and the result is put back in the memory. In the same way, other arithmetic operations are performed through ALU. Let me repeat. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the arithmetic operations. For addition, I can show you an example. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. For logical operations, the numbers to be compared or sent from memory to ALU. The comparison takes place in ALU and the result is returned to the memory. The result of a logical operation is either true or false. These operations help computer in decision making. For example, when we try to withdraw money through ATM machine, you could have noticed you would be asked to enter 4-digit PIN number. If the given number is true, it will be processed further. If the given input is wrong, you would get the message wrong input. Let me show you an example for this logical operation. We can consider comparing two numbers. When you sit for an online exam, the pass mark to clear the exam is 35. As soon as you have completed your exam, your score will be compared with this 35, and if your score is greater than or equal to 35, it might display a message like congratulations, you have passed in your exam. If your score is less than this 35, it might display a message stating that sorry, better luck next time. Now, let's see about this control unit. Control unit coordinates and controls all the units of the computer. It controls all the operations and it controls the flow of data also. It is also responsible for carrying out all the instructions stored in the program. Once it receives the particular instruction, it decodes that instruction. Decoding means, as we know, computer can understand only binary language, so it will be converted into binary form, that is zeros and ones. Then it sends control signals to input-output devices until the required operation is done properly by arithmetic logic unit and memory. Now let's see registers. Registers consist of a small amount of fast storage. The CPU uses registers to temporarily hold some important processing information during the time of processing. CPU may store some part data or some memory address or some instruction in its processor registers. Friends, hope you all got my points. In the next video, let's discuss about the memory. Thank you.